Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Barley, part one of math. Let's have a review from yesterday. Time. Okay, now if you recall, we said that this hand, which is the small hand, that look good there? Here we go. This hand, which is the small hand, always tells us what hour it is. So if this hand points at 9, it means it's 9 something. This is the one, the big one, that tells us how many minutes past the 12 it is. So if we got the small hand here, the large hand's on the 12, which represents 0 minutes, we say it's 9 o'clock. And again, we write it like this. At least one way of writing it. Okay? 9 hours, 0 minutes past the 12. Then we said yesterday, between each number, there is 4 dots or little lines. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 5 minutes after 9 if this hand were here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be 9, 10 if this hand were here. And then we keep counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if this hand were here, it would be 9, 15. Because if we would count all these, it would be 15 lines after the 12. It would be 9, 15. Now, what I'm going to show you today is what happens when this hand is not there. Mr. Bird? Oh, there you go. Okay. Is not there. But if it's here, now what do we do? Well, you count how many minutes after the 12 it is. So, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this becomes 9:30. Any time that the big hand is here, this is going to be 30. Makes no difference where the small hand's at. If the big hand's on 6, it's always going to be something 30. Because again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? And if we were to go all the way, it would reach 60, and then it goes back to 0. So the time, girls and boys, is 9:30. Okay? Let's take another one. Oops. Wrong color. Shorthand is more or less here. It would be between the 2 and the 3. But the point is, it's 2:30. So we need to change that. Easy. Okay. What if I did this? What time is it now? It is now 12:30. So again, boys and girls, no matter what, if the big hand is on the 6, it's going to be something 30. No doubt about it. Okay? Just wanted to teach you that. And what would I do if I saw a clock like this? More or less. What time would it be? Yeah, the little hand is on the 6. It would be 6. And this is 30. Okay? So again, no matter where the little hand's at, if the big hand's on 6, it's going to be 30 minutes past the top of the hour. Goes from 6 o'clock all the way to 6:30. And if we were to go all the way back, and it would be a 7 o'clock. Pretty easy. Now, one more thing as I erase this. I know we saw this yesterday, but I just want to review it. I think you know what this is. This is an analog clock. Sometimes we have clocks like this. They actually tell us the time. Okay, actually it's digital, sorry, not analog. Made a mistake. That's digital. Now the old ones, we used to have one, I wish we still had it. The numbers would actually go around. The modern ones, they don't do that. They just light up like that. Okay, so that's a digital clock. The one that's round, no, that's called analog. Analog would be like this, or a regular clock with numbers that you see on the wall. So again, digital and analog. Just want to review that. Okay, so I will go ahead and I will see you now. I will see you now basically at my table. It'll be time to go ahead and do our math books. So get ready. I'll see you then. What time is it? It's late.